Good morning, everyone. Yeah, eBay, this sucks. This just taking up the whole home screen with whatever I know it's the eBay Live. Uh, this probably explains why sales have kind of sucked. We get dips because they're messing with the site. And I'm okay, fine. They're trying to get eBay Live up and going and try to rival whatnot. I don't know. I've never bought anything from eBay Live because, you know, it's not in my wheelhouse right now. They don't have a postcard category. Anybody out there bought from eBay Live? How's it compare to whatnot? Whatnot's just easy. So I don't know. If I have applied, I will say that I've applied to sell on eBay Live. Um, if I'm ever approved, will I? I don't know. But I don't know. Just gunking up the homepage like that just sucks. And it could be bigger, you know? You could make this bigger, eBay. I know I'm just complaining, but I always just go to my selling overview here. So what is today? Today is Friday. You made it. Friday the 27th of March. Some task information is currently unavailable. What is that? I have not heard or seen what that is. Anywho, yesterday, 103. Again, eBay's giving me the middle finger there. 53 today. Open cancellations unavailable. We'll talk about that later. What is going on? They just messed up the site to promote their eBay Live. You know, they're gonna buy whatnot. You know they are, or some other site will. And then they'll ruin whatnot. Cheery John on a Friday today. Okay, let's get pulling. Not much. 8 orders. 8 orders. $91. Yay. AS4. How were your sales? You can see what mine were. This is cool. I got this at York last year, 2025. Can't remember what I paid for it. Get that straightened out. It was $1 or $2, maybe even $3, but I've always seen the April 1st, the April fishes, the French April Fool's Day, always with fish, but I had never seen eels. Anthropomorphic. In fact, I don't think I've ever seen anthropomorphic eels. So I thought that was cool and worth picking up. I don't think it's going to be in this section. Yeah, this is all Philippines, which I probably bought too much of. Nice cards. Come on. Yeah, I have a feeling it's going to be an AS5. Yep. AS5. When I listed it, I just must have not changed the number in the title description. I hope it's it's in here somewhere, because I just saw it the other day. There it is. And I guess with that eBay Live, I just don't like change. Anytime the websites, they, for whatever reason, we need a refresh. My bank did that. I'm with PNC, and they had this great, had a calendar. I can't remember. A wallet, PNC wallet. I loved it. It was great. Easy banking. I could see everything on one page. I had a nice calendar with all the bills going out. And then for whatever reason, they decide, oh yeah, we need to change all this up. And it's so, you have to click like 4 times to get to the same information that was on one screen before. It's to the point I just I'm getting used to it. I still hate it because I can't. You have to click everywhere to find stuff again. That was right there on the homepage. And I was to the point I was like, man, I gotta find another bank. This sucks. The car will never replace the horse. I know. Old curmudgeon screams at the clouds. Reno, a whopping $2 here. So I going to Lancaster Postcard Show tomorrow, and I had reached out to a dealer. I know I've mentioned this. A dealer who I've bought out all of his quarter boxes before, and he's agreed to sell me boxes. And my first thought was it was going to be 20. Oh, based on our emails back and forth, it was going to be like 24 boxes. And he emailed me late last night and said it's going to be 50 boxes. So that's cool. Is this it? Yeah, there it is. So looking forward to picking those up tomorrow, which means I will have more stuff coming to Whatnot sometime in the near future. I got to process all this. I pick out what I want to sell, leave good stuff in the box. I got to break it down into topics. So it might take a month or two to get it to Whatnot, but it will be coming to Whatnot. Another airplane. And what do we got? Only a couple more. AA19. AA, what is this? Columbus, Ohio. AA19. I'll go over to Postcard Shows. I don't know what happened to the site yesterday. It just sat and spun. Couldn't get into the shows. Yeah, sleeves are sticking together. Huh. That's a good way to accidentally send a card, 2 cards at once, which I have I've caught it, but I've packed 2 cards into one mailer before. There we go. And what else do we have? Oh, Disney. Tip. I've talked about this before. If you go to Disneyland or Disney World, go to Trader Sam's Grotto. I think it's the same name in both parks. And drink their tiki drinks, their tropical drinks, and pay up for the mugs. And these mugs cost, I think, maybe $15 extra. And you drink as much as you want. You bring them home because you get a souvenir mug. They give it to you in a box all packed up. And you can flip these and make money, and pretty much your eating and drinking is free. So this is the last one from probably 2 trips ago. I had a big Nautilus one. I think it's $50, maybe 60, but then you can flip it for 100. And then all these has eventually paid for my meal. I took an offer on this one. Actually, it might have been caught up on the 40% off, which is fine. It's been sitting for 2 years. And like I said, I've got my money back out of it. And this is... So Disney, that meal at Disney 2 years ago has been paid for a while. Now they've got $28 in profit or whatever. So it's a little loose in there, so I'll open it up and put some more bubble wrap in there. We're going to Disney again sometime in January. So I'll do the same thing. We'll go to Sam's Grotto and... I'll pay for everybody's food probably, and then I'll take all the mugs. And I'll probably end up taking an extra suitcase. And I'll flip those mugs when I get back. Got a church out of Pennsylvania. This might take a while. Big stack. A little dinged up. I guess that's why it was $4.25. Try not to mess it up anymore. There we go. Sometimes when you sleeve them, it kind of bends up the corner a little bit. Okay, last one, U29. Another big stack. Look at that, jeez. So that bulk buy I'm doing, I think the average, it's 30 boxes a standard size at $40 a box. 20 boxes of Continentals at $30 a box. I'm also buying some of his damaged. I think there's like 3 boxes of damaged cards that I'll flip on Whatnot to the crafters. But you gotta just make those relationships with dealers if that's what if you want to get into buying bulk. Just gotta make those relationships with the dealers. And that's all I got to say about that. And let's do a refresh. Nothing else. So look at this card. I was wrong. I really thought this card was going to stagnate. See, all the eBay resources are going to eBay Live homepage there. And again, no auction. This is AI. It doesn't know how to fill all that in. But yeah, I thought this was going to stagnate yesterday. It's up to more bidders. They keep on bidding on this thing. It jumped to 203 yesterday, and this morning when I checked, it was 207. So someone just bumped it up by another $5, and I still got a couple days left. I don't think this guy's cards of this guy. I don't think they've gone for over 170. This is a worthless point. So again, make sure you take that with a grain of salt. Yeah, the highest one so far. Just in March of last year, $172. I couldn't find any similar to mine. So a couple in the 60s. I usually save this for my paying members, but yeah, Bolo Abbas II. So it'll be interesting to see where this ends. But I thought that was cool. Yeah, so I was wrong. All the auctions usually stagnate Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. And usually Sunday is when they obviously pick up because they're ending. So, okay, let's see if I can get into the postcard shows. Came right up. So again, we have Lancaster today. It's going on today, right now. And then also tomorrow, we got Livonia, Michigan, also on Saturday. Next weekend, Akamos, another Michigan, Lansing area. And then Havre de Grace. Then we got Shelbyville, Tennessee. And then the big one up in New York. Never been there. I have no desire at all to ever go back to New York City. Another Michigan. Michigan, wow, you're doing pretty good with postcard shows. So make sure you go to a postcard show. Okay, everybody, that's it. Hope you have a great weekend. Hope your sales are plentiful. And we'll see you bright and early Monday morning. Have a great day.